High School Leaving Certificate examinations result conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur was declared on Monday. The results declaration was held at Board of Secondary Education Manipur building situated at Bapura in Imphal West. Education Commissioner H. Gyan Prakash, while speaking to Hornbill TV, said that this year's pass percentage is better and improvement could be seen in all categories. He also said that this has been the best result in last 10 years for government schools. In the previous years, the results were declared purely on the basis of marks. However, from this year onwards, results will be based on grading system. The grading ranging from A1, A2 and similarly B1 and B2 based on the performances of students. As grading system has been introduced, the students will not be awarded rankings.
The result has been better. We have done now pass percentage is improved in all categories. This is in case of government schools, this has been the best result for the last 10 years. In the previous years, the results were declared purely on basis of marks. This time, the results have been declared based on gradings. Gradings ranging from A1, A2 and beyond. A1 being 91 to 100 and similarly to this. A1, A2, B1, B2, like that. We have marks have been prescribed in respect of each category. That is one. Earlier, of course, the papers are marked by giving marks. Only the total has been changed into grades while awarding to the students. But the papers, let's say a 5-mark question, if the student has done well, or has done all correctly, she'll get 5. Or if she has not done very well, she'll get 3 or 2, whatever it is. Then the total marks are added. Then after addition, it is turned into grades where, let's say if a person is getting 94, it will be written as A1. If a person gets 92 also, it will be A1. If a person gets 100 also, it will be A1. So that way, this year we will not have rankings of students in the sense that for top 25 or highest person or the person who got maximum in science or a particular subject highest marks, that we won't have. There will be students all students who are getting A1 will be considered as toppers. Overall A1 percentage will be considered as toppers. Subject toppers will be A1. All those who are getting A1 will be considered as toppers in that sense, because no marks would be disclosed in the result. Earlier, when I was talking to, when I was giving my speech, I said this is the norm being followed in most advanced advanced exams. The reason is because it does not put undue pressure on the students. A person, like I said in the thing, a student who has missed out 1 mark in the exam, and when she or she comes back to home, she said, "Oh, my 1 mark is wrong." She may feel very upset. But when she knows that she will get only A1, irrespective of whether she missed 1 mark or whether she has done, then she'll feel much better, and she'll be able to. Psychologically is much better. So that way there is, and here we are talking about students who are about 15 years old. They are very young, and we should not put undue pressure on them. We should let them study freely where their minds are towards learning rather than securing first and second. That is the idea why we shifted from pure marks to grades. You are right, the state has faced conflict, and we have had very little we have lost a lot of class days, but we have tried to make up with cooperation of all the private schools. We have cut down holidays, we have extended class time, and we have extended extra classes. So that way we have tried to make up for the losses, and maybe there's students have also considering the fact that they've lost their time, they may have worked harder.